I'm a bit interested in your presentation. I've seen you a couple of times, and I guess that the integration community have seen you plenty of times. And when I have seen you, you have always been using a whiteboard. So
Yes.
why the whiteboard?
So back to challenges again, I think. Yeah. So back in 2017, I got my MVP award at the fall. I think it was December 2017 or something like that. And I managed to get into Integrate 2018
Hmm,
as a speaker. So joining Integrate 2018 as a speaker, a conference I've been on every year for the last 5 years,
hmm,
gave me a challenge. I need to do something that is different. I need to do something so people remember me, so I can come back
hmm,
year after year. That was my game plan.
hmm,
So I found a good story, and I realized I could tell this with a whiteboard and make it more interactive, more fun, more engaging for everybody watching.
hmm,
So I tried it, and I prepared it for months. I haven't prepared anything so much as I did that session.
hmm.
And I would say actually the whiteboard sessions is harder to do than any PowerPoint session
Yeah.
because it's a lot more knowledge you need to have the top of your mind, and it's a lot more like you need to practice the drawing, make sure that you place everything correct and so forth.
Hmm.
But yeah, it was a challenge to myself. How can I be remembered at Integrate?
And so first whiteboard, then the suit. What's the next thing?